Hi there! Tag F7E4A3, then confirm. Clip match this effect only to the subject with Ctrl-Alt-G for Windows user or Command-Option-G for Mac lover. It's good but not really as good as I wanted. Let's adjust the color a little bit. Create hue saturation adjustment layer, increase hue to 5, saturation 10. Remember to clip match it as well so it won't affect to the other layers. Choose 3 first layer, right click and select convert to smart object. This is just a combination step of merge layer and convert to smart object. The surface is quite sharp. Let's add some blur to it. Head to filter, blur, surface blur. Radius 10 pixels, threshold 30 levels and OK. Filter, styles, oil pen. Follow this setting. Stylization 4, cleanliness 1.5, scale 0.1, Bristol detail 0.1. Now we'll add filter to it. Filter, filter gallery. In artistic folder, choose plastic warp. Highlight trend 20. Detail 3, smoothness 15. OK. Click to the icon next to filter gallery to open the blending option. In here, change blend mode from normal to color dodge and lower the opacity to 20%. we'll add some highlight. Create a new layer, pick a brush tool, make sure foreground is white, and dab in the areas around the subject that you want to add highlight. Change blend mode of this layer to color dodge after that. It's too bright, so let's reduce the fill to 10%. Add a new layer above black background. Assemble the gold hue to add a subtle color cast with brush. Increase brush size with bracket shortcut, it can speed up your workflow. Decrease the opacity to 10%. Finally, let's add this base to the trophy. Move it to our project. Ctrl T to scale it down, place below her feet. Create a new layer. Use black brush to add a black point right on her feet to create a shadow. Ctrl T to resize and move it right on the surface. Add blur to it by using Gaussian blur. The amount is around 5 pixels. You can adjust the opacity if you want to. Alright, that's all for the tutorial. Hope you like this video. Hit like, subscribe buttons so we will have more motivation for launching tutorials in the future. See ya!